Plasti dip your tires. Is it worth it? Stay tuned and find out. Hi, this is Matt with Blue Taco Gear. This week's episode is about plasti dipping your tires. And so I'll talk about how I did this and the process for it and what I think of the results. So at first glance here, you can see that I used two different colors to plasti dip the tires. I did the Toyota emblem in plasti dip red, and then I used flat black on the rims. I did not put a glossifier on it. I left it flat. So you can see what it looks like there. Okay, so you can also see here, I painted the front, just the front of the brake caliper. I used red heat resistant paint. And I did that because I actually ended up taking the front tires off to do the front tires. The back tires I left on when I plasti dipped them, but the front tires I took off. I just found them easier to do, and you don't have to pack behind on the brakes and put something behind so it doesn't, the spray doesn't get on. But the process, so what I did was you remove this cap, and then I laid those flat and plasti dipped those separate. I didn't leave that on the tire. I popped this off, plasti dipped that, pop that back on. I removed the original lug nuts. I did not plasti dip the lug nuts, and I went ahead and bought black lug nuts, and they were longer, so they're extended a little bit, easier to get to. And I replaced all the lug nuts on all four tires. That wasn't very expensive, actually. It was less than 40 bucks to do. I'll put a link in the description below for the plasti dip I used and where I got the lug nuts as well. And this is a red TRD logo cap on the stem. So you can kind of see how that works. So the process is you clean the wheels really well. You do a half alcohol water mixture, clean the wheel, then you plasti dip in 5 coats. Okay, so it takes about 1 can to do 5 coats. Each coat is progressively heavier and heavier. The other thing you do is you put tire shine around the tires so the plasti dip peels off anything that gets onto the rubber. But you can see here, it looks really good on the Taco. Gets rid of all the chrome from the stock wheels, which is what these are. This is a 22 TRD off-road and Blue Crush. Really happy with it. It's been on for a month, and there's no streaks or anything. It went on really even, and so far it's been washed. I mean, I wouldn't use a real heavy scrub brush on it. I just use soap and water and kind of a light scrub brush to scrub the wheels out, but they've been staying really clean, so I like the results. So in total, this was 38 bucks of plasti dip and paint, and I think it's worth it. I think it looks really, really good. I'll let you guys know how it holds up, but word from other people that have plasti dipped their tires is they're running 3-4 years with this and haven't had an issue. And if it ever gets ripped, you just peel it off and redo your tire. So it should be easy to maintain. So we really appreciate all of our subscribers. Keeps the channel going. Like and subscribe. See you next time.